Today we will look at the case that I bought. It's a AeroCool Hive mid-tire case. This one, if you can see, this tempered glass. It doesn't have included PSU, and it's in black coral. It even should have included fans that I saw, but yeah, we will see later in the video. So we have expansion slots, 3 max, GPU clearance. If you have a bigger GPU, you have 370 millimeters without front radiator installed. CPU clearance, I think this means if you have a CPU air cooler, you can then use to the max of 157 millimeter high of the CPU cooler. There is written, should have front RGB fan, 2 times fans and 1 rear fan. It's written heavy load, but it's not that heavy. Oh, the front looks interesting. It looks like a carbon fiber theme is going on. It's a mid-tire case because I don't have so very big components in my computer, so I think it will be perfect for my case. The AEO is simple, so we have the power button, the reset button, the indicators for the mic and headset input, USB 2, USB 3, 2 times. In the back, yeah, standard. I think we need to push them out to use them. Oh, the screws are very tight, so we need a screwdriver for that. The screws are well protected, that they do not scratch the glass. They're nice. I'm not sure how to. Oh, okay. So yeah, if you're removing this, just watch out and hold it something like this. So you have a little latch here that everything, I mean the glass is lean on. Now, so first what we see is the instructions. Just simple instructions, how to set in the hard disk, how to set in the PSU with everything else, where to put the cables, how to mount radiators, how to undo the front filter housing, and the I/O. So in the back, simply the cables are organized. So we will remove those, and later maybe we will use them to cable management, everything. So what we got in the box, some zip ties, this is always good. Also some mounting screws, so we get some replacement. We get in total 5 zip ties, which will be totally use all of them. And we got the screws for mounting our fans and some standoffs for the motherboard. This is good. So we have the cables to connected together. This is for the power, for turning on and powering the fans. And they are all together connected already. We can just plug them in this or this connector. We have also connected everything via the port for the RGB header and the USB 3 connector, also with the connectors for the front power button and what is that? Reset, and this is connected there. Well, okay, we will see what's this about later. And we have the USB audio and USB connector there. Okay, time to remove the front panel. So, like the picture showed us, we need to pull out in the back on the down. Just push it slightly or more. Okay, it's not easy going. So for the front panel, it's really hard to get off, but yeah, you will get it. We have a large filter there, which is good. So the big front 160 fans, I don't know the maker. Okay, this is from AeroCool. Okay, cool. And so this is the case. We have a cutout that our PSU will be shown, and for the HDD drive we have a mounting bracket here. We can remove remove it and mount everything on it, so we'll have a secure mount. So I will show you now my old case, and we will transfer everything from my old case to this case. Is my old case. It's a old shotgun case. So you can see it's solid panel. There's no airflow. If you can see just a little bit here, this side maybe, you see those little spots? It's maybe a little bit of airflow, but yeah, my PC doesn't get so hot, but it's get hot enough. So you will see me now tear it apart and replace everything and put in a new case. Don't forget those. The fans, we will adjust them a bit because I want to fresh air to blow directly on the CPU and the GPU. Otherwise, we will see if everything else fits correctly and it sits correctly. Because it's a bit lower motherboard, I'm just curious if this will be correct fit, because I think I will need to install those standoffs, but otherwise I think I will be okay. Let's install first the I/O shield, that I will not forget to install it. First thing installed. Then just slide it out like this. Like this. Well, don't make the same mistake that I did already. Install first the SSD and then install the HDD. So, because you need to screw down, you know, you need to first to screw on the SSD and then screw on the HDD. So, here we have a complete sandwich, the complete package, so we can install it back in. But first, we need to install the PSU. It's from the Be Quiet, and it has 400 of power, but it's enough for my use. You can see we need standoffs here and also here. So just need the back. We have everything in. I just want to warn you, because those screws are, yeah, kind of tight, but you need to watch out that you do not overdo them, that they will then rotate, and then you are literally screwed. So if this happens to you, take some pliers and print it or grip it in, so you have these cuts. It will better grip in the case. And even so, if you have some Loctite maybe, and you use even that, but after you use Loctite, do not get to work immediately. Let it cure a bit for about, I don't know, maybe half an hour or so. Just a little drop, it will be enough. So let's try and mount it back. Let's put the motherboard in. One more tip: if you want to mount your hard drives and everything in and finish your build, just be prepared that you cannot adjust the height of the fans. Not later, but you can adjust them now when you have the S's, because the fans are mounted from this side. So yeah, I need to get off the GPU again. So after some cable management and a lot of zip ties, the case looks like this. So overall, the case feels okay. It was nice to be in it, but what about the peel? Okay. The PC is running. It's fine. It was nice to build it, but I have some pros and cons for the PC. I connected to the header, but the thing does not connect to the app. I connected down the from AeroCool app, but as you will see, it will not be connected. It will not be seen. So I was very frustrated about this. I cannot control the RGB lighting with the app. When we saw the connector that I was connected it in the first clip, it was connected to the reset button. Why? Because you see, when I press the reset button, the RGB fans change color and even so animation, and you can turn it off completely even so. So you have different modes, different animation, you have pulse, you have even so static colors, but I don't know if this is the problem with the AeroCool motherboards that I'm using or something else. So pros and cons. Pros: great cheap case, it's very great to build it in. You have a lot of space, you have a lot of great fans even so. So the cons are the fans are connected directly to the PSU and you cannot control the speed of them. So overall, thank you for watching and be good.